What is up, my youths? So today's video title says it all, my guys. We're talking about why 3D printer. Any 3D printer, it doesn't have to be Bambu Labs. It can be any of these brands. Magic is beneficial to any creator like you or I. So let's get to it. It's gonna be a no bullshit video. Try to keep it short and show you things that can benefit you in the long run and that have benefited me as of now. So first things first, what we can create with a 3D printer for creators. So I'm always on the go. Like you see my other videos, I've got a bike now. I, hit wherever I want to go. It's my daily driver for now. I have a GoPro, so went ahead and found this on Bambu Labs, Maker World, as you can see. What's cool about this is that it unscrews, and inside, look at that, my guys. GoPro, 2 batteries, and then I can hold it to 4 SD cards right there. It's pretty freaking awesome. Closes, I don't want to say it's watertight, but it'll protect it from the elements. This just goes right in my bag. No more carrying that big, a long case. None of that bullshit. Second, I try not to carry my actual camera rigs, like this and the one up here, on the bike, just because if I eat it, I can break it. So I carry around my Osmo Pocket, as you can see. Another cool thing I've been able to do, guys, is create protection. So this slaps right on top of this. Again, none of these products I've actually designed myself. I found them all on Maker World, Thingiverse. There's tons. I'll list them all down right here on the side so you can check them out. So right here, this protects the gimbal in its case. I've also got a smaller version, like so, that just protects the gimbal itself and nothing else, which is pretty cool. Another cool thing, guys, that I've made is, we all know the DJI mic, as you can see, this little bad boy. Now I got a microphone handle, so check it out. It's been great, it works phenomenal. It keeps it in there. I'm gonna try to find a dead cat that fits over it, or even just a foam piece that makes it look more like a mouse, or more like a microphone. So awesome little thing to have, guys. So keep that in mind. You can create tons of accessories for your products, for your tools, for your equipment. One of my favorites that I use all the time is this right here. Found it on Maker World. I will list it below. I will notate the creator right here so you can see it. It holds my Sony batteries. They're pretty tight, as you can see. Now, I color or I paint my batteries. Most people don't. I do. I haven't painted this one here because it's a brand new battery, but everything else I do paint so that I know once I use a battery and it is dead, I can just put it right back in, and I know that that battery is no longer good. So, and as you can hear next, I did not close my office door, so she's making noise. But I've printed them different colors. I've got multiple batteries for both cameras while I'm not filming, etc. I run a Sony. I lose my Sony caps all the time, so I've gone ahead and printed out some Sony caps. These will be down on this little link below. Pretty much anything that I've made and that I can sell, I have it listed on Avery the Kiddo's website on Etsy. So if you want to purchase them there, you're more than welcome to. These will be on there. They're clutch. I've got hundreds of them. I can print them in any color. I can, I go by color codes. I know my black is my 2470. I have blue, which is my 1728. Yellow, which is my, I believe it's 7200, etc. So it's all color coded. Another awesome tool that I've been able to print out are these stands here. Aiden did the initial printout of them, but these hold up poster boards so that I can have a small backdrop on any tabletop I want, and I can just easily just put these in my bag, go anywhere I want to. You can put a ruler up in the back here to make them stay standing. They do stand on their own. It can be a little finicky, but overall though, it's helped me get backdrops anywhere I want to go. I can just roll up a backdrop, put it in my bag, take these with me, and I can put them up almost anywhere. Now, other miscellaneous items. Lauren has an Instax Mini. This right here opens up. It can hold Instax to protect them. The light won't bleed through them, etc. So overall, guys, quick video. Just want to show you how you can benefit from a Bambu or from any 3D printer on the market to make your life easier and create things. And just like that, you guys can too. So definitely check out, I've used Bambu Labs, as you've seen in my other videos. So if you're interested in any products, guys, or you found something that I could probably benefit from, drop it down below, guys. Like always, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.